Let's get the range once again. The view from here is much more better than the earlier view. Continuous range. It's like 360 view of hills and on the hills. It's unbelievable. Sun is out today, so everything is quite visible. There are very few clouds and they are not nasty clouds, you can see through them. It all depends on the weather. Maskara's Denali range is like visible once every 4 days because of the bad weather cycle of sun, clouds and then rain. I don't know how many times a day.